students. In part 7, we have discussed about transpose of a matrix. Now, in this part 8, we will discuss about two matrices, symmetric and skew-symmetric matrices. What type of matrices are known as symmetric matrices? This is the first topic here, symmetric matrices. Definition of it: a square matrix A is equal to Aij having order n by n. Square matrix, it means row and column are equal, is called symmetric matrix if and only if its transpose equal to itself. If you transpose a matrix A and you will get same matrix, then the matrix is known as symmetric matrix. Here is example. A is equal to matrix 3 minus 1 minus 1 5, order 2 by 2. Square matrix should be there. If you have to prove whether it is symmetric or not, then first of all you have to check whether it is square matrix or not. Now here it is 2 by 2 matrix. It is a square matrix. Take the transpose of it, change the row into column. First row becomes first column, second row becomes second column. You can observe here A and A transpose both are same matrix. After transpose, you get the same matrix A again. It means transpose of a matrix comes out to the same matrix. Then such type of matrices are known as a symmetric matrix. Second, skew symmetric matrices. A square matrix A is equal to Aij of the order n by n is called skew symmetric matrix if and only if its transpose equal to minus of A itself. Another thing you have to know about the skew symmetric matrix. Every element in the principal diagonal of a skew symmetric matrix is always 0. Diagonal elements are always 0 in the skew symmetric matrix. Now you can observe in the example. Example 1. A is what? 0 minus 5, 5, 0. Transpose it, you will get row becomes column. 0 minus 5, 5, 0. Now this is not equal to A. When you take common from this matrix minus sign, then you will get the same matrix A. Take the common minus sign. This becomes 0 as it is. 5 becomes minus 5. Minus 5 becomes 5 and 0 is as it is 0. Taking negative sign common, then you will get what? Minus of A. It means transpose of a matrix is equal to minus A. Only minus and difference will be there in the elements. And such type of matrices are known as a skew symmetric matrices. The second example is here. You can see here A is equal to the matrix 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 3 order matrix, and transpose of it above the diagonal elements are positive here in A and below the diagonal elements are negative. When you transpose them, you will get the reverse one. Above the diagonal elements are negative and below the diagonal elements are positive. Now you have to make them same as A. Just you have to take the minus sign common from the A transpose. What you will get? Minus sign becomes positive when you are taking minus sign common. 0 H G minus H 0 F minus G minus F and 0. Now this matrix is what? A matrix. Only minus sign is there extra. So A transpose is equal to minus of A. Such type of matrices are known as skew symmetric matrices. Now properties of skew symmetric and symmetric matrices. First theorem you have to learn, that is what? For any square matrix A with real number entries, A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix and A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Here what you have to remember, if any matrix A is given to you and asked find out symmetric matrix, then just you have to do what? A plus A transpose you have to calculate. If it is asked calculate skew symmetric matrix, then you have to just do A minus A transpose. This matrix will be the skew symmetric matrix. Now for example, A is a matrix having elements 1, 5, 6, 7. You want a skew symmetric matrix or symmetric matrix from this matrix. Now, first of all, I have written here A plus A transpose is symmetric always. It means if you want to find out symmetric matrix, just you have to do A plus A transpose. First of all, calculate A transpose A1657. Now add them, A plus A transpose. Matrix A is added in a matrix A transpose. What you will get? 2, 11, 11, 14. Now you want to check whether it is symmetric or not. We have read about the definition. A transpose is equal to A. Transpose of this matrix comes out the same matrix, then it is a symmetric matrix. So you have to check whether it is symmetric. You have to transpose it. It means A plus A transpose is a matrix, this one. Then you have to take the transpose of this matrix. When you transpose it, what you will get? 2, 11, 11, 14. Same matrix you will get. It means what? A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Now, second part of this is A minus A transpose. Calculate what is A minus A transpose. You will get 0 minus 1, 1, 0. A minus A transpose, you have to check whether it is skew symmetric or not. What is the property? A transpose comes out equal to minus of A. It means transpose of this matrix, A minus A transpose, comes out with minus sign of A minus A transpose. Check it. A minus A transpose, whole transpose comes out equal to what? 0 minus 1 becomes column here, 1 0 comes column here, 1 0. Now this and this both are differentiate only by minus sign. Take the minus sign common from the A minus A transpose whole transpose. You are getting minus sign common, then change the signs of the element. You will get 0, minus 1, 1, 0. This is the A matrix, but minus sign is there. It means what? Minus of the previous one matrix. It means what? A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Now, second theorem which you have to remember, it's very important theorem. Lot of times in CBSE question is there. Theorem 2 is any square matrix can be expressed as a sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. What's the meaning of this? You can represent any of matrix as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. It means one matrix will be given to you and it is asked to you write this matrix as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Now here is the property. A can be written as sum of half of A plus A transpose and half of A minus A transpose. First part, half of A plus A transpose will be the symmetric matrix and half of A minus A transpose will be the skew symmetric matrix. It means you are adding symmetric and skew symmetric and adding them you are getting matrix A. Let the example here. A is having elements 3 minus 2 minus 4, 3 minus 2 minus 5, minus 1, 1 and 2. For the first part, half of A plus A transpose, first of all you have to calculate A plus A transpose. Add them, A and A transpose, then you are getting 6, 1 minus 5, 1 minus 4 minus 4, minus 5 minus 4, 4. Now half of this, it means each and every element of A plus A transpose is multiplied by 1 by 2, or you can say divided by 2. You will get 6 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 5 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 4 by 2, minus 4 by 2, minus 5 by 2, minus 4 by 2, 4 by 2. Now simplify it. 6 by 2 can be written as 3 and so on. All the elements will be this, which is clearly a symmetric matrix. You can check it. When you look in a row, 3, half, minus 5 by 2. In a column, same elements are there. Check second row, second column, third row and third column. You are getting same element. It means what? When you get the transpose of this matrix, you will get the same matrix. It means this is a symmetric matrix. Now, second part of this property is you have to calculate half of A minus A transpose. For that, you have to calculate first A minus A transpose, minus these two matrices, corresponding elements, minus them. You will get 0, minus 5, minus 3, 5, 0, minus 6, 3, 6, and 0. Second, next one is half of A minus A transpose. Divide all these elements by 2, What you will get? 0 minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 0 minus 3, 3 by 2, 3, 0. You can see here, above then diagonal, all elements are negative, below all are positive, and diagonal elements are 0. When you change row into column, then what? Only minus and difference will be there. So what? It means A transpose comes out equal to minus of A. It means this is a skew symmetric matrix. Now we have studied, we have calculated already half of A plus A transpose and half of A minus A transpose. Put the values of these. Put these values, add them. What you are getting? You are getting, simply after simplification, elements of A. It means A can be written as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. First part is half of A plus A transpose is a symmetric and half of A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric. It means any matrix A can be represented as the sum of symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. You can verify it by taking examples from the exercise questions 3.3. Do exercise 3.3 from the NCERT in your notebook. Thank you very much.